Okay. Today is the day 4, guys. Yesterday we learned about, in day 3, we learned about Agile methodology. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Today is the day 4. So we are going to learn about Agile manifesto. Okay. Let me copy those things from other bench. And right. So what does it mean by Agile manifesto? Okay. Agile manifesto is nothing but it is a set of rules and regulations. Okay, Ganesh? Okay, Avinash?
Yeah.
Avinash understood? Agile manifesto is nothing but it is a set of rules and regulations. I will write it here. It is a set of rules and regulations. Okay, and it is documented as well. Okay, what does it mean by it is set of rules and regulations and it is documented? What does it means? It means that where you are working, Avinash, in which methodology you are working, Avinash, Ganesh, Avinash is there or not?
Oh, sorry. I mute myself when I
Yeah,
was talking
okay,
on
okay.
mute. I'm
In
sorry.
which methodology we are working, Avinash?
We're working on the agile methodology.
Agile method, right? So previously we worked in which methodology before Agile?
We worked on the waterfall.
Waterfall
Yeah.
methodology. Do we have any rules and regulations in waterfall methodology?
Uh, Not actually.
Not actually, but we
Yeah.
have some, but
Some. Yeah.
that is not applicable,
Correct.
right? But coming to Agile methodology, these rules are very strict.
Yeah.
Okay, very strict. Okay, how strict? And before I will give you some examples. After that, we will go for the real time. Okay, initially in the olden days, in the sense our grandfathers, right, or great grandfathers, in their scenario, how the schools look alike. School, right? If they
Correct.
want to go to school, they will. If not, they won't go to school,
Yeah.
right? No one will ask why are you not going to school, right?
Correct.
Now, if you consider our kids or ourselves, when
Mm.
we go to school, we should have some rules and regulations. What are
Correct.
the rules and regulations, Savinash?
Uh, like we need to be going on time every day and then wear uniform and all of that. And
Yes, right?
school uniforms and yeah.
School uniform, daily you should wear a shoe, you should
Correct.
tuck in, you should
Yes.
keep belt, you should wear a tie, right? Why these rules and regulations has kept for school students, right? So
Yeah.
they are like a very kids, right? They're just a kids. Those people are. Why we kept them? You should follow the rule. The school is 8:30 a.m. You should come to school at 8:30 a.m. You have to go to house at 4 p.m. Right? The lunch timing is 12 p.m. 12:30 p.m. Right? Every
Yes.
period is 1 hour. Why we kept that? Because these students, okay, will grow up, right? Whenever they grow up, they have to ensure that, I mean, the mind will, maturity levels
Mm.
will be increased to them. Okay, if I wear this type of a situation, I mean, tuck in, proper dress, iron, all these things, if I do all these things in future, right? If I went to college or if I went to IT industries, right? I usually wear this. For that reason, what we are doing, guys, we are maintaining the people to follow this set of rules and regulations, right?
Yeah.
Here also the same. In agile methodology, what are the rules and regulations, guys? These rules and regulations are documented in agile manifesto. Okay, Manoj, in school, where we have documented all these things, we have documented in school diary,
Yeah.
right? In
Yeah.
school diary, we usually have these rules and regulations. Proper timing should be here, right? The national anthem will be 8:35, right? The prayer will be 8:35. All these things will be recorded in the school day. Here also we have the same thing. In Agile Manifesto, what we did is we have documented everything in a manifesto. Okay? What are those rules and regulations? Basically, we are having four values and 12 principles, guys. These are our rules and regulations. Manoj, where did you got this? I got this from waterfall methodology. Manoj, in waterfall methodology, we don't have anything, right? Yes, we don't have anything. But what I did is, see, I haven't done. I haven't done. The agile methodology people, whenever they introduce, they have improved something, right? They upgraded from waterfall to agile methodology. What are the things are not there in waterfall methodology? They have improved and they kept in a four values and 12 principles. Okay, Avinash?
Got it.
Yes. What are the four values? Okay. The basically four values are individuals and interactions over process and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. Okay. These are the four values, guys. Okay. You should you should follow in the same order. Avinash,
Yes.
you should follow in the same order. You should not, you should not mislead this, okay, or overchange this. I want to say customer collaboration first. No, this is the one, this is the two, this is the three, and this is the four. Okay, you should follow in this way. Okay, Avnash?
Yeah, correct. So
Right.
basically, what you're saying is, just to understand what you said was, Agile Manifesto is a set of rules and regulations which are also documented, where it has four values and 12 principles, and then we follow these principles step by step and not interchange any of them. So it actually goes like
No, no, no,
individual.
no. It's not
Uh,
like that. We have to understand the terminology about waterfall. What is waterfall? We haven't know about waterfall, right? So we have to follow these steps.
okay.
Okay, by using any framework in agile method. Guys, who is that? Ganesh, is that you? Please be on mute, Ganesh. I was
No,
getting
no, Dharmik Nagar.
okay, okay. Avinash, please be on mute. If you have any doubts, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I was getting like a utensil sounds. See here, these are some rules and regulations. If you play cricket, okay, if you play cricket or any sports, we are going to have some rules and regulations, right? But we don't do, we don't, uh, we follow the rules and regulations. That's it. We can't able to play with those, right? Those are some set of rules. If we want to play 50 overs match, what we are going to have? We are going to have 50 overs. 50 into how many balls we have? Usually six balls in an over. That is
300.
300 balls. But if just consider 10 people are playing in a team. Oh, sorry, 11 people are playing in a team. 11 people, in that 11 people, up to 45 overs they played. Okay? All out, right? The people are all out for 45 hours. Remaining 5 hours are there. Now the openers are saying that we have 5 hours left, we will play again. We will play again that 5 hours. 5 into 6, 30 balls we will play. Is this possible?
Not possible.
Not possible. But there is another step is there. 50 overs are there, 50 into 6, 300 balls, right? Now 50 overs played by openers only. And again, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth people are saying that we haven't played. We want to play again. Okay, we want to play some other overs. Is that possible? Like a
Not
51,
possible.
52 overs I want to play. Is that possible?
Not possible.
No. Why it is not possible? We have some set of rules and regulations. We are
Correct.
following that, right? Here
Yes.
also the same thing. We are having some set of rules and regulations, that is 4 values and 12 principles. By learning these 4 values and 12 principles, we are going to work in agile methodology. Okay, guys? Yes, mute yourself, Ramesh. Right. So here, sorry, it is saying what I have divided A and B. Okay, I have divided into two parts. This is A part and this is B part. Okay, and middle we are having over. Okay, that means A over B. A over B means what? Which is better, Avinash?
So, B is better now.
A over B.
Uh, A over B, then I think, yeah, A is better.
A is better, right?
Yeah.
In agile methodology, what we are saying is we are keeping A over B. That means if we are having 100 percentage, if we are having 100 percentage, what we are doing? A is 51 percentage. Okay, A is 51 percentage and B is what? B is 49 percentage. Okay, A over B. That means A is little bit better than B.
Yes, correct, correct.
Okay, A is little bit better than B. Okay, but we are not completely saying that A is only the one, right? A is little bit better than B. That's why what we are doing previously in waterfall methodology, what we did is we have given more priority to the process. Okay, we have given more priority to process and tools. Okay, are you understand? Did you understand, Avinash?
Yes.
Means we haven't given value to the people in waterfall methodology.
Yeah.
That's why the builds are very less. Coming here in waterfall methodology, what we did, we have given to the process more priority to process. We haven't given more priority to people. Okay,
Yeah.
same thing in waterfall methodology, we have given more priority to B. Okay, but compared to agile methodology, what we are doing, we are giving priority to both, but a single percentage extra to A. Okay, 1% extra to A. That means what we are giving? We are giving more priority to A than B. Why we are giving more priority to A than B? The reason behind is mute yourself, Avinash.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. Why we are doing that is if the person is working individually or interactively. Interactive in the sense, if the person is working in a single or in a group, what we are doing, if you give more priority to the people who are the working people are there, if you give more priority to people, they will ultimately work for your process. Sorry, they will ultimately work in this process by using these certain tools. Okay, Avinash? If you don't give priority to people in agile methodology, because they are working in sprint wise, in sprints every day they are working just around 7 hours or 8 hours, right? But you are making them to work for 10 hours or 12 hours. Then are you giving priority to these people, Avinash?
No, Manoj.
No. If you give more priority to these people, they can easily work in a certain process by using certain tools, right?
Yes.
If you don't give priority to these people, what they will do? They will ultimately, they won't follow the process. Okay, Avinash?
Yeah.
Previously, what they did only, they mainly focused on process and tools. Okay, they haven't focused on the people, how they are working. Do the people need any help? Right? They haven't done all these things. But now in agile methodology, to have a very good projects, they are mainly focusing on these people instead of we. Instead of we, they are mainly focusing on the people, because if the people works good, then only we can easily get the B, right? Avinash?
Yes, Manoj.
Right. Coming to the second point, working software. Okay, what they are mainly focusing on here, they are mainly focusing on the working software. Previously, what they did, they mainly focused on documentation, right? In agile methodology, we have seen to have, I mean, if the BA wants to write the requirements, it is usually take 2 to 3 months, right?
Yeah.
For that, we are having a time waste, right? But now what we are doing here, if we have in agile methodology 10% of requirements, we are starting the project, right, Avinash?
Yes. Yes.
So at this point, what we are mainly focusing on, we are mainly focusing on the working software instead of documentations. What we are mainly focusing on, we are mainly focusing on the working software, right? If you want to have a working software, we usually require the comprehensive documentation also. We should have documentation also. Without documentation, we can't able to develop this software. But what they are mainly focusing on, if we have this comprehensive documentation also, it might take a lot of time. But we are not mainly focusing on the 100 percentage. If you have the documentation of 10 percentage also, what we are doing, we are developing the project and releasing the project. Ultimate goal is what? If you deploy the project should be work, right? The project should work. That's why they are mainly focusing on the working software instead of documentation. Understood, Avinash?
Yes, Manoj. So one question here, Manoj. When you say comprehensive document, it means that client's requirement, right?
Sorry.
When you say comprehensive documentation, it means the client requirement, right?
Yes, the
Okay.
client's requirements will be like this.
Yeah.
Let me show you the documentation. Where is this documentation? Okay, it is in downloads. Okay, you can see here. This is the documentation. How the documentation should look like. Okay, if you want to develop a sign-in page, this is called the mock-up screens. Previously, I told you, right?
Yeah.
Based upon this mock-up screens, we are developing the project,
Yeah.
right? This is the search page. This is the Amazon Prime page. This is the selection page, right? This
Yes.
is the buy now page, right? This is the add to cart items, right? This is the new cart, right? This is the shopping screens, right? Like this, we are going to have the documentation. Okay. If you don't
These
have this,
mock-up pages will documentation will be given by the product owner, right?
no, 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 no. Architect will give to us.
Okay, the system architect. Okay, okay.
System architect will give to us. But in the current situations, sometimes PO also might give you. Okay.
Okay,
If anyone gives you, no problem in that.
okay.
But if you know the process or not, that is the main scenario.
Got it.
Whoever gives to you, it
Yeah.
doesn't matter. What is your thing is, you have to work and you have to make your team members to complete the work. Right, Avnesh?
Yes.
That is the major scenario for us. Right. Understood the second point?
Yes.
Yes. Coming to the third point, customer collaboration. over contract negotiation, right? What does it mean by Ganesh? We have seen this live example yesterday, right?
Yes, yes.
On which day we have seen the live example? Around 14th class.
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
See, here the thing is customer collaboration. We are mainly focusing on the customer collaboration more than contract negotiation. Okay, what does it mean by here? The thing is, if you have a contract, okay, we are mainly focusing on customer collaboration. Okay, why we need to have a good collaboration? Just consider Avinash, the customer is Ganesh. Okay, what we are doing, guys, we are mainly focusing, and we are mainly having a good collaboration, I mean coordination between the Ganesh and me. Okay, I have a good rapport with Ganesh. Okay, what I did, at some point I want to have a leave. Okay, I want to have a leave. What I did, I asked the Ganesh, I'm sick. Okay, I can't come to office for 2 days. So today is a Wednesday. Just consider today is the 29th Wednesday. I'm saying that Ganesh, I can't come 29 and 30. Please grant me the leave. Ganesh is saying that, okay, Manoj, take care and take the leave of 31 also. Okay, take this 3 days leave. I will take care of the people. Okay. Now, why he has given me, why he has granted me the leave, Avinash?
Yeah, because of the rapport that you built with
Yes, because
Ganesh.
of the rapport I have built. Okay. Now the same scenario you asked the Ganesh, but you don't have a good rapport. Do you think Ganesh will give you?
No, probably he might deny.
Yes. What he will say? Okay, you will stay in the home, right? Do work from home. He will say,
Yeah.
right? Open your laptop for some time and have a collaboration with your team, right? And make them
Yes.
to work, right? Why does it happens to me? Why it didn't work for you? What is the main reason? The
Because of
collaboration,
your collaboration. Yeah.
right? If I have a good collaboration with the client, what the client has given, whatever the contract I have agreed upon, contract in the sense sprint, right? Sprint I have taken, right, with my
Yes.
team members. I can negotiate that as well. Okay. Otherwise, I have a very good collaboration with the customer. Now, two of my team members are sick. Okay, two of my team members are sick. Now I'm asking the client, hey Ganesh, um, two of my team members, please mute yourself, Thomas. Two of my team members are sick. Okay, so the people can't work on these tickets. We are going to deploy those tickets for the next sprint. Please accept my apologies. Now, what the client will say, okay, Manoj, no problem in that. Please make sure that complete those tickets by, after next sprint, because those are very important tickets. Okay, why? Because they have agreed. Because I have a very good rapport with the customer. Now, Avinash, you are the one. You don't have a rapport with the customer. You don't have a very good rapport. Manoj, without having any rapport, how can I survive? Yes, there are a lot of people, they won't have a good collaboration. What they will do? Just they will work and they will go to home. But in the IT organization, what it will work, if you have a good rapport, then only we can survive. That is the main thing. If you work or don't work, but you should maintain a good rapport. That is the main part. Okay. Now you ask the client, hey client, some of my team members are sick. We are going to develop those tickets in the next sprint. Client will definitely accept it. But what the client will say, he will give you some suggestions also. before before my example, they haven't suggested me. What they have suggested? Oh, okay, no problem in that. But make your team members to work extra time. Remaining team members are there, right? make them to work extra time. Otherwise, ask another scrum masters to have additional resources to work on these tickets, because these tickets are really urgent for me. You have to deploy these tickets in this current sprint. Did they accept it or not, Avinash?
They actually denied because
Yes. Initially, they have accepted the permission of team members,
yeah,
and they haven't compromised on the product,
correct.
right? Previous, my example, they have compromised. Why?
Yes.
Because I have a very good rapport with the client, right? So here also the same. If you maintain a good collaboration, then you can have some contract negotiation. Okay. But coming to the definition point of view, you can read the definition point of view. It will be a little bit different. Okay. But the actual meaning will be, for an example, you can learn like this. Okay, Nash?
Okay.
Yes. Coming to the responding to change over following a plan. What does it mean by? Okay. The thing is, just consider previously, I think Ramya asked me, right, Amish? Ramya asked me, Manoj, whatever, if in the middle of this sprint there is some changes, what we have to do, right?
Yeah.
If we have some changes in the middle of the sprint, we are going to accept it. Why? Because it is agile methodology. We will definitely accept it.
Yeah.
Okay, that is called responding to change. We are responding to change. But when we are responding to change, if we can work on that particular ticket, then only we can respond to change, and that too we are following a certain plan for that.
Yeah.
Okay, if we can work or not, that is the main thing, right?
Yes.
Just consider the match has drawn. Okay, the cricket match has drawn. Okay, now there is a super over. Okay, now what we are doing, guys? We are Avinash, please be on mute. Huh? What we are doing, guys, in this super over, we are planning for, not we are planning for not to send the openers, because they will rotate this strike. What we will do in the super over, we will send hitters, right? The people who can hit the ball so hard, like Hardik Pandya, Shreyas Iyer, right? We won't send Shubman Gill, right? We won't send to them. We will send Rohit Sharma. Virat Kohli also won't come, because he is the striker. He is not the hitter, right? If you want hitters, we will send these people. Am I right or wrong, Avinash?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. So that is the major change, Armata. So what we are doing here, we are accordingly changing. If there is any change, we will accept it. But we should have some time, right? If we don't have a time, we can't follow a plan. Okay, we can't follow a plan. If you want to change, okay, we will definitely change it, but how much time it will take, based upon that we are going to create a plan for that. Okay, Avinash,
Yes.
any doubts on these four?
No, Manoj.
No, right? So this is very beautiful topic, right? Coming to the next step, that is called 12 principles. Okay, I will try to explain 3 to 4 today, and remaining I will explain tomorrow. Okay, this is like a essay writing question. Okay, 8 marks question in the engineering. Okay, no need to learn all these things, Avinash. Otherwise, if you want me to stop here, I will stop here, and we will continue these 12 principles tomorrow. What you will say, Avinash?
No, anything. It's fine, Manoj.
Yeah, based upon you only, I will. I will go.
Okay. It's maybe you can like if this can be completed in one day, I think we'll do it tomorrow. But
Yes, it will be
if
completed in one day.
yeah, then we'll take a separate day
Yes,
for it. It's okay for us to start also. So
yes,
I'm,
yes.
I'm okay with it.
That is also my suggestion only, because try to learn these four values and by heart these four values.
Sure.
Okay, by heart these four values. Okay,
Sure. Sure.
right there. We will connect by tomorrow. Okay, Avinash?
Yeah, sure, Manoj.
Yeah. Thank you.
And Manoj, do we have a class tomorrow? Because today is Friday. So Saturday, Sundays, do you have weekend batches or do we need to?
Oh, okay. Tomorrow is Saturday, right?
Yeah,
Okay, then we will connect on.
Monday
Yeah, sure. Otherwise, what we will do is, do you have any time in the afternoon?
afternoon around what time, Manoj?
I don't know.
No, because I'm free. I was just trying to understand
Okay, then
your
I will call you. I will call you. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
If
Makes
not, if I don't have any free time, I will connect on Monday.
okay, sure.
Okay.
No,
If there is any,
Manoj,
yeah,
when was the afternoon session, tomorrow or what?
no, 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 no. Let me think. Okay.
No, if the session is there, kindly inform to me also so that I can also on the same
Sure,
time.
sure, 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 Ganesh. I will
Okay,
definitely
Manoj.
call you. Okay.
Please, please.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
See you, Manoj. Take care.
Yeah.